get these chickens?
We bought them. Tractor Supply and Bumpers.
Oh, I have whether I think they're baby chickens.
Lucius is trying to figure it out. Good job, Corey.
I want to feed the chickens. City. Why is there that box there? Why do you guys put the box there?
Oh, because right now it's just kind of there.
Wait, what? That box.
The gray bin.
Dad, can we go now? I need water.
I guess I'm not going to be working out my blacksmith shop. That's what I plan on doing tomorrow.
City. Hey! Please, can you look at that near me? I want to be next to a ghost, Mr. Corey.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like them because they're really nice to me. You got view of them?
Yeah.